Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Orlando Pirates 1. I'm joined by Tommy.
Yes. Nice meeting you.
Yes, sir.
But again, I think it's only fair when Pirates plays.
Yes, sir.
Against the likes of Sundowns.
Right.
Pascal Kenya the player affiliate.
Yeah.
But Shoti say A1. It's only fair because it's an unfair advantage.
Yeah.
Or Pirates is 11.
Yeah.
I think Safa should create some laws. Okay, at least eliminate one player before red card.
Yeah.
I think the game was balancing how Pirates is short.
Yeah.
Because it's unfair advantage or Pirates is team setting.
Yeah.
We should also write a letter to FIFA again. Dr. Patrice Mutsipa Atama said this letter.
Yeah.
Because about a balance game.
Yeah.
Something can't tremble after tremble. In 1973, had Jomosona Santanezala.
Yes, sir.
Pirates win a tremble.
Yeah.
Not only then, we are the first team and only team in Africa to win tremble after tremble.
Yeah.
Understand? And I think tremble league.
Yeah.
Kiboka tremble ya original ya neat.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
So something. But understanding to value king. Value is not the price.
Yeah.
Understand? But value is what you create. Because even if you can win star, 1964, win a star, 2004, the value of it
remains the same.
But again, that's a story for another day.
Yes, sir.
Orlando Pirates made us proud. But I remember we are playing an away game against what they call the Bafana of now. But again, we're not worried because Bafana today. Remember, Haina striker. Haina number 9. So how do you expect to score? You can only score by those chances they create and penalties, of which were not people that create about or complain about penalties. Remember our preparation for PSL. Ikadiloko Spain. Hakiri Spain, Hakiburu, there's a name or by nickname as Spain. Kiwaka Spain straight Ireland from OR Europe. Raya straight.
Europe.
Railo Hira Jose Rubero. Alo Dadisa Bafana Baruna attack. And let me tell you something about I understand why China Nazala today.
Talk to me.
Remember modern football when you're a goalkeeper. You play from the back.
Okay.
Money hands up ball night and number 2 high, number 3 high, never position before you could release. We don't just release balls haphazardly. You understand? This thing is chronological. You understand? We don't just play football. We don't just throw balls. You understand? And I remember, I told you, Karen, Ngondoya a normal fan of Orlando Pirates is equal to coach ya PSL. And I'm not talking about the defense at Tonalina. People about ordinary fans that don't really go deep like myself. Ngondoya bona ile kana le aburulani so. An ordinary Pirates fan. We are not emotional beings. We are substantial beings. You understand? When sports started, how only rugby, there was a division because rugby then they made laws come out. And the first sponsor of that was Adidas. Adidas. Sponsoring Orlando Pirates. Pirates, he created it. We visualize things. We architect things. Abisa the Holy Spirit. Pirates in anything. Pirates. Yes, Pirates was there. Ivan Koza, Dr. Ivan Koza, football administrative genius. Advocate, the biggest sporting event, more Africa. World Cup. The first World Cup that was there under African soil. Give something. Something. When you bake a cake, it's easy for anyone to put a cherry on it. But we had to work about Dr. Ivan Koza. We work about Tuba who started the cake. And when the cake is finished to put the cream. It's so easy to attend a wedding. But it's difficult to pay for a wedding. I don't know if I'm making sense to you. Please ask me another question.
My brother, who was your man of the match?
My man of the match, and I'll tell you this again. My man of the match was Jose Rubero. last you handle contractualize no, it's fine. No, it's still fine. Remember, a name does not have a meaning.
Yeah.
But what you do have a meaning.
Yeah. What's Sundowns?
It doesn't really matter. What matters is the meaning behind.
Yeah,
what matters is what you do.
Yeah.
But here's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
I am saying to you.
Yeah.
But banana carry Sundowns the way na thing.
Yeah.
Go AFCON. Sundowns banana carry any coach can make them play.
Yeah.
Remember, no Sali Rulane or coach Angda.
Yeah.
No coach Hugo Bros.
Yeah.
So if you for Rulane, remember Lanka for material.
Yeah.
If you don't know how to architect a house,
Yeah.
so people misunderstand this point. Banana carry just because Sundowns you can just bring anyone to coach. You understand? People really need to understand. Ukasi Akhe Foundation Ukasi Akhe Foundation here for room.
500.
Walo tala double story go warita ema. The foundation needs to be strong.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yes. No, I told you the last time. Kari VAR haikabate in South Africa Sundowns ikaba number 11.
Yeah.
And people misunderstood me.
Yeah.
Because they don't listen to context. You understand?
Yeah.
They don't listen to what I meant. The first 4 games,
Yeah.
Sundowns, they are questionable. But I'm not there to complain about referees and stuff.
Yes, sir.
Remember, we're playing an away game.
Yes, sir.
I'm not complaining about the red card.
6 years, it's the same story. For 6 years, he's crying about this for 6 years, man. I'm going for 7 times now. We are crying about this thing.
I think
we are still crying about this.
last time I was complaining.
Man of the match.
The last time I complained, Kari Chiefs the flopile.
Yeah.
Kaurekisa player on a ailing coach.
Yeah.
I mean ailing referee.
Yeah.
Bamrekisa Sundowns. And then I made a plea to the president of Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Referee.
Yeah.
We want to win on merit.
Yeah.
Alna president.
Renale chairman, it doesn't matter. Our affairs is our affairs. If we call him, yes, because Balieta at the cup go dining room. Babi is a FIFA president. But organize a cup go sitting room.
Super Cup.
Yes,
Super League.
more 4 ways. And then they organized the cup in 3 days. And there's a TV letter of FIFA. By created Tiburulan and everything. Why should I withdraw? On which basis?
Withdraw your statement. You can be arrested, they're gonna charge you. Withdraw your statement.
I like our president. All right.
It is opinion.
All right. Let me stay to my statement. I'm sticking to my statement. I'm sticking to my statement. One thing I like about Dr. Patrice Motsepe.
What?
He is for African football.
Yeah.
And he wouldn't be annoyed by me raising my own views and opinions.
Yeah.
Because remember, Dr. Patrice Motsepe, they are out. Mind yabona ibuleile. Ateba to be emotional. Because I support whatever team. Understand? No. Okay. We don't deal with emotions. We don't deal with emotions, but we deal with sense and substance. Okay. Understand?
Yeah. Are you gonna take the Nedbank Cup, my brother?
Nedbank Cup. Okay. Before King Nedbank Cup. Who's the champion of Nedbank Cup? So I'm the only person who has the right to talk about Nedbank. If you're not a champion, why talk about it? Shut up. Yes. Shut up. Understand? I'm the champion in Nedbank. So why should I be not given the throne to speak about Nedbank Cup?
Speak. Are you gonna take the Nedbank Cup, my brother?
It's given, Melty. Get 360 degrees. Get around. You don't need to study.
7 meters.
You don't need to study for that. How I got miss? I got wrong a second. Cause let's not be met. Get 360. You don't get it wrong.
Get 7 meters.
It's given.
5 meters to the fence. 5 meters to the fence.
Nari wina 74 million. Umpota ka 7.
Ba tshwere Stars stadileng ko court.
7 rena.
Stars stadileng ko court. Se negotiated Stars ko court. We never contested for Star. Rinkile Star ka Jerus Kosana sa original. Ising sa re se buelle re tsamaise re bue ka eng re kenye ka eka. No, I'm talking about the original Star that was won in 1995. Goal. Yeah, Legs of Thunder.